Hi, I'm Princess Harens Cabreras. So for today I will discuss the translation of Japanese and English. So number 1, face in Japanese, cow. Number 2, hair in Japanese, kami. Number 3, head in Japanese, atama. Number 4, air in Japanese, mimi. Number 5, forehead in Japanese, odeko. Number 6, eyebrow in Japanese, mayugi. Number 7, eye in Japanese, mi. Number 8, eyelids in Japanese, mabuta. Number 9, eyelashes in Japanese, matsugi. Number 10, nose in Japanese, hana. Number 11, mouth in Japanese, kuchi. Number 12, teeth in Japanese, ha. Number 14, chin in Japanese, agu. Number 15, cheek in Japanese, huho. Number 16, neck in Japanese, kubi. Thank you.